Hey guys, so I know that we have talked a little bit about clocks before, but I want to go into detail for you guys just to make this very clear. All right, so this is a clock. Sometimes it will be small and it'll be on mommy or daddy's wrist, like a little watch. But most of the time, you will see them on walls like this, especially at the school or at the doctor's office or something like that. So the clock has numbers 1 through 12 on them, and it has a little dot in the middle where these arms over here, these hands, as we call them, are going to be placed. All right, and so the clock has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and it stops at 12 and starts over, okay? So you won't have 13 o'clock, okay? You're gonna stop at 12. All right, so the long hand is the minute hand. It's gonna tell us what minute we are in of the hour. And so when this is pointing, the only thing that we really want to point out today that's important is that when this long hand is pointing at the 12, it's going to represent 0. So 00. But how the best way for us to say it is o'clock. O'clock. All right, so if I did, let me show you. It'll be easier to show you like this. All right, so if this is my shorthand, it is the hour hand. So whatever hand or number that it is pointing to is going to say its name. So 3 o'clock. So let's look at this next slide. All right, so like I said, the 12 is going to say o'clock when the minute hand is pointing to it, and then the hour hand, when it's pointing to a number, it's going to make it say its name. So 3 o'clock, and it's going to be written like this: 3 dot dot 00, because remember I said when the minute hand, this long hand, points at the 12, it's going to represent 00. So it's 3 o'clock. Good. Let's look at another one. So let's look right here. So now our hour hand is pointing at a different number, but look, our minute hand is still pointing at 12, so that means o'clock. All right, so let's look and find out which number. It is pointing at the number 5, so it's going to be 5 o'clock. So this is 5 o'clock. Good. Let's look at another one. Ooh, this one's pointing at the number 7. And then look, the long hand's still pointing at the 12, so it's going to say o'clock. 7 o'clock. Let's check and see if we're right. Yes, 7 o'clock. This is what 7 o'clock looks like. Ooh, this one is a little tricky, Miss Hendry. Hold on a minute. Both of these arrows are pointing at the 12. So what does that mean? What does that mean? How does that work? All right, so the 12 is the long hand's going to represent o'clock. But look, this hour hand, the short hand's pointing at 12 too, for 12 o'clock. Yes, isn't that neat? All right, guys. So remember, the shorthand is going to tell you the number at the front. And then if the long hand's pointing at the 12, it's going to say o'clock.